Hello everyone, this is my homework solution to Palma Quarter's Lesson 19, Learning Parametric Design. The homework assignment was to make the glasses box like we did before, but this time fully parametrized. So, as Paul normally tells us to do, to sketch it out on paper, that's what I did. So let me see if I can show you. It was pretty simple, just writing out what I know and the box and all the things, the equations to use. And then when I went into Fusion 360, it was just a breeze. I knew everything I needed to do. So if you go into parameters, I'm not sure if you can see them, they're kind of small, but basically I have two independent variables, the length and the height, and everything else is dependent on that. So the wall thickness, the fillet radius, the distance offset, and all those different things. So if I make the length 80, the width will change, the fillet radius will change, the wall thickness will change, and everything won't break. If I make the height 200, everything will stay the same and nothing will break. I think it was a really fun homework assignment, and really, made us think on how to do parametric design, and it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.